Hitting the hay, understanding common English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fun and popular English idiom, hitting the hay. This phrase might sound a bit strange at first, but it's widely used in everyday English conversations. So, if you're keen on enhancing your English vocabulary and sounding like a native, you're in the right place. Hitting the hay is an idiom that means going to bed or going to sleep. This phrase is often used when someone is tired and ready to rest for the night. But why hay? This expression dates back to a time when mattresses were often filled with hay or straw. So, hitting the hay literally meant going to your straw-filled bed to sleep. Understanding an idiom is one thing, but using it correctly in a sentence is another. Let's look at some examples. 1. After a long day at work. I'm ready to hit the hay. 2. You look exhausted. You should think about hitting the hay early tonight. 3. We have an early start tomorrow, so I suggest we all hit the hay. These examples show that hitting the hay can be used in various contexts, but the underlying meaning remains the same. It's time to sleep. In English, many idioms have slight variations while maintaining the same meaning. For hitting the hay, you might also hear 1. Hitting the sack. This is another way to say going to bed. The sack also refers to the old-fashioned bedding material. 2. Turning in. This phrase also means going to bed, and it's slightly more formal than hitting the hay. Now that you're familiar with the phrase, hitting the hay, you can add it to your conversational vocabulary and use it when you're discussing bedtime or rest. It's a colorful expression that adds a playful element to your language. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to understand the culture behind a language and to sound more like a native speaker. So, next time you're ready to sleep, you can just say, I'm going to hit the hay. Happy learning, and we hope this video has been helpful.